influence of my breasts as I was developing is they were a catalyst for harassment. And it felt like it was because I was getting breasts that I was getting whistled at and yelled at on the street.
I can remember to this day the sound of the giggles and the boys, and nobody explained to me other than, oh, boys will be boys. And it's like, well, how do girls get to be girls? You weren't told how to get to be a girl. You just told how to survive being a girl.
There's often an armoring so that we can protect ourselves, because we can't be open in the sacred way. To be open in the sacred way, you're like a plant that turns toward the sun and expands to receive the sun and water, to be nourished, nurtured. And then there's an openness is like this. Armor is something else.